Considering home improvements to spruce up your space or to prepare your home for a sale? Well, you're not the only one. Hitachi Personal Finance has recently seen almost a 5% increase in home improvement loans. But before you start, ask yourself, should I DIY or DI don't? What might seem like a simple task could end up burning a hole in your wallet if not handled correctly. And there's nothing worse than having to pay more to redo a botched DIY job. Wall hangings. Whilst these might seem simple, it's so easy to hit a pipe or a wire which could end up costing more than £200 to fix. If you're going to do it yourself, invest in a digital wall detector, which you can pick up from as little as £30. Loft insulation. A lot of people who go down the DIY route here can end up with damp due to poor ventilation, which they then need to pay out to fix, which the average cost being up to £2,000, depending on the extent of the damage. Now, what many people don't know, however, is that the majority of loft insulation jobs can be paid for with a government grant. So doing your research could save you serious pounds. Laminate flooring. New laminate is a great way to spruce up a room, but many of us don't know the correct way to lay it or have the right tools to hand. The result could be uneven boards that you'll likely need to pay a tradesman to replace, not to mention the cost of the new flooring. Now, for a professional, this is a pretty easy job that won't cost you loads. So unless you've got the skill set, it's probably best to leave this one to the experts. Now, if you've got a DI don't story, why don't you share it with us on social media and tag us at @Hitachi_finance.